Karapatan has received and recorded reports of human rights violations committed against activists, human rights advocates, and ordinary citizens who are merely doing voluntary work or expressing their opinion or grievances to the government. Clearly, domestic laws are being used to violate the civil and political rights of the people. Since day one, the government has failed to concretely, comprehensively, and scientifically provide 4 solutions on how the country will deal with this pandemic. Instead of heeding the demands of the people for mass testing and for giving the long overdue government aid, the government put in place militarist solutions that further violate people's rights.